Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to make a Squarespace portfolio. First, you will want to select a Squarespace template that truly reflects your unique style and the type of work you want to display. Think about the overall aesthetic and how it complements your projects. Next, begin to organize your portfolio content into logical sections or categories. This makes it much easier for visitors to browse your work. Finally, gather your best images and videos, ensuring they are high resolution and professionally presented. Now, let's dive into building out your individual portfolio pages. Each project should have its own dedicated page, featuring a detailed description of your process, challenges, and outcomes. Utilize Squarespace's versatile gallery and image blocks to present your visuals in an engaging way, perhaps with a grid layout or a slideshow. Don't forget to craft a compelling About Me section. This is where you can share your unique story and connect with your audience on a personal level. Once your content is in place, it is time to refine your portfolio's design. Squarespace offers robust customization options, allowing you to adjust fonts, colors, and spacing to perfectly match your personal brand identity. For those with a bit more technical know-how, custom CSS can unlock even more advanced design modifications. Always double-check that your portfolio looks fantastic and functions flawlessly across all devices, from large desktop monitors to small mobile phones, ensuring a seamless user experience for everyone. Finally, it is time to launch and share your incredible work with the world. Before hitting publish, take a moment to thoroughly review all your content, checking for any typos and ensuring all links are working correctly. Connect your new Squarespace portfolio to your social media platforms to maximize its reach and visibility. Also, consider implementing basic search engine optimization, or SEO, best practices to help potential clients and collaborators discover your portfolio more easily through search engines. Good luck!
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.